Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. I am your Sarita ma'am.
Now, today in numeracy space, I will teach you a new concept that is after numbers.
Now, before starting with after numbers, let us quickly revise numbers 0 to 10 in order.
Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10.
Now, after number means the number that comes after a specific number. मतलब कोई भी वो नंबर जो एक नंबर के बाद में आता है उसे हम आफ्टर नंबर्स कहते हैं. Now, let us start with number 0. 0 after 0 which number comes? 0 के बाद वाला नंबर कौन सा है? It is number 1. And after 1 which number comes? 1 के बाद में. मतलब after 1. After का मतलब जो नंबर बाद में आता है उसे हम after number कहते हैं. So which number will come after number 1? Number 2. Right? 1 के बाद आता है 2. So 2 comes after number 1. Now what comes after 2? 2 के बाद क्या आता है? Number 3. So after number 2, number 3 will come. And after number 3, number 4 will come. So in this way, the number that comes after each number is known as after numbers.
Now, let us clearly understand this concept with the help of some number flashcards. Now, tell me children, which number is this? This is number 0, right? So, after number 0, which number will come? 0 के बाद हम कौन सा नंबर लिखते हैं? 1, right? So, let us search for number 1 here. Where is number 1? Here it is. So, we will place number 1 below 0. So, after 0, which number comes? 1. Now, after 1, which number will come? 1 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 2. Right? So, search for number 2 here. कहाँ है number 2? Here it is. So, what we will do? We will take number 2 and place it below number 1. Now, tell me, after number 2, which number will come? 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Let us count from here. 0, 1, 2, फिर क्या आएगा? 3, right? So, we will search for 3 from here. Here it is. And then, we will place it below number 2 like this. Now tell me children, after 3 which number will come? Number 4, right? So let us search for number 4 here. Where is number 4? Here it is. So what we will do? We will take number 4 and place it below number 3. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 what will come? Number 5. So, where is number 5? Here it is. So, we will take number 5 and place it below number 4 like this. Now, tell me children, after 5, which number will come? Number 6, right? So, where is number 6? Is this number 6? No. Is this number 6? No. Is this number 6? Yes. So, we will take number 6 and place it below number 5 in this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after 6, which number will come? Number 7, right? And here is number 7. So we will place it below number 6. Now after number 7, which number comes? Number 8. So here is number 8. So we will place it below number 7 like this. Now let us count again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after 8 what comes? Number 9. So where is number 9? Here it is. So we will place it below number 8. Now, which is the last number that we write after number 9? It's 1, 0, 10. So, we will place 1, 0, 10 below number 9. So, in this way, we will finish writing 0 to 1, 0, 10. Now, let us do an exercise related to after numbers in our square line notebook. Now, before starting with exercise of after number, let us revise in order 1 to 10. Now, see children, here this is T and this is O. T means tens and O means ones. So, whenever you are writing single digit number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, you have to write it below O. जब भी आप सिंगल डिजिट मतलब सिर्फ एक ही नंबर जिसमें होता है, जब आप वो लिखते हो जैसे कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, उसे आप कहाँ लिखेंगे? O के नीचे. And when there is two digit number, that is, what is this? 1, 0, 10. And 10 has how many numbers? जब आप 10 लिखते हो तब आप कितने नंबर लिख रहे हो? 1, 2 नंबर्स आते हैं ना 10 में. 1 भी आता है और 0 भी आता है. 2 नंबर्स है ना. तो आप क्या करोगे उसमें? You have to write 1 below 10's column and 0 below 1's column. जब भी 2 डिजिट के नंबर होते हैं, मतलब 9 से बड़े जो भी नंबर्स होते हैं, 9 के बाद जो भी नंबर्स हम लिखते हैं जैसे 10 है, वो हम 2 कॉलम में लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट वाला आप जब बोलते हो 1, 0, 10, तब सबसे पहले आपने क्या बोला? 1 बोला आपने, राइट? तो वो 1 को आपको लिखना है टेंस के नीचे. एंड देन आफ्टर 1 व्हाट यू स्पीक? 1 के बाद आप क्या बोलते हो? 0, राइट? तो उसे आपको लिखना है वंस के कॉलम में. सो 1, 0, when there are two numbers, you have to write the first number below tens column and the second number below ones column. So, whenever we write any number in after number exercise, what we will do? We will put a dot and write the number if it is single digit number. अगर आप 1 से 9 के बीच वाले कोई भी नंबर्स आफ्टर नंबर में लिख रहे हैं, तो फर्स्ट इन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स व्हाट यू विल राइट? You will put a dot and then you will write the answer, that is any single digit number. And if the answer is 1, 0, 10, then you have to write 1 and 0. Here you will not put any dot. Just in single digit numbers you will put a dot and then you will write the numbers, ताकि आपको tens और ones की जगह का पता चले. Okay? So, let us start with our exercise today. Today's date is 7.9.20. That is 7 September 2020. And today we are going to write after numbers. आज हम कौन से एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं? After numbers. Now, let us start with the first number. Which number is this? This is number 4, right? So, after 4, which number will come? 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? If you don't remember, आपको तुरंत याद नहीं आता है, तो what you have to do? You have to start counting from the beginning. Count करो मेरे साथ. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and उसके बाद आप क्या बोलने वाले थे? 5, right? So, after 4, what comes? Number 5. So, let us write number 5 here. So, where will I write number 5? मैं यहाँ लिखूंगी या यहाँ लिखूंगी? मैम ने अभी क्या समझाया था आपको? Whenever you are writing single digit number, सबसे फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में यहाँ पे आपको लाइन दिख रही है. So, the first box you will put a dot. ये टेंस का कॉलम है, तो टेंस के कॉलम में हम सिंगल डिजिट नंबर नहीं लिखते हैं, तो हम टेंस के कॉलम में क्या रखेंगे? We will put a dot, and in the ones column what we will write? We will write number 5 because 5 is a single digit number, right? Understood? Now tell me kids, which number is this? ये कौन सा नंबर है? This is number 7. So what comes after number 7? Let us start counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will come here? Number 8. And 8 is a single digit number or two digit number? 8 में कितने numbers होते हैं? 8 is a single digit number, right? So what we will do? We will first put a dot at the tens column and then here we will write number 8 like this, touching the below line. Number 8. Now which number is this? This is number 5. So what comes after 5? 5 के बाद कौन सा number आएगा? Number 6, right? So 6 is a single digit number or a double digit number? 6 single digit number है, right? So what we will do? We will first put a dot and then we will write number 6 touching the below line like this. Now tell me kids, which number is this? This is number 0. And what comes after 0? 0 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? 1. And 1 is a single digit number. So what we will do? We will put a dot first and then we will write number 1 like this. Now tell me, which number is this? This is number 9, right? So after number 9, which number comes? Number 9 के बाद का number कौन सा है? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 9, which number comes? Number 10. And as I have explained before also, 10 has 2 digits. 10 में दो numbers आते हैं, 1 और 0. 2 digits आते हैं, तो what we do? हम dot रखेंगे यहाँ? No, हम यहाँ dot नहीं करेंगे because there are 2 digit. यहाँ आपके 2 boxes हैं, तो 2 boxes में लिखने के लिए आपके पास 2 numbers है. So what we will write here? We will write 1 in the tens column and 0 in the ones column. So after 9 comes number 10. Now tell me kids, which number is this? This is number 6, right? So after 6, which number will come? Tell. If you don't remember what you have to do, you have to start counting from the beginning, right? So start counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. फिर क्या आएगा? 7. So As 7 is a single digit number, what we will do? We will first put a, क्या रखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? एक dot रखेंगे and then we will write number 7. So, you have to ask your mama to prepare the page like this and you have to solve this exercise by yourself. आपको आपकी मम्मा को बोलना है इस तरीके से आपको पेज रेडी करके दे और ये आपको खुद अपने आप आफ्टर नंबर्स सॉल्व करने हैं. राइट, मैम ने आपको बताया है ना, अगर आफ्टर नंबर नहीं याद आता, what you have to do? You have to start counting from beginning. So you will get the next number. So you have to do it by yourself, right? I hope you all are clear about the concept of after numbers. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.